As a plant-based dieter or vegan, one of the best ways to ensure you get a full range of nutrition is to aim to have more colors on your plate. Looking at your plate to ensure it's full of colors is an easy shortcut to that you see that you are getting a wide range of vitamins, minerals, and healthy antioxidants. If you're not sure why, keep watching. In today's video, I will explain why each color is important to your health, and I will introduce a simple recipe that is both pleasant on your eyes and on your stomach. Hi, welcome to Healthy Palace. My name is Serena Lee. I share quick tips on how to pursue a healthy lifestyle, focusing on plant-based diet and easy plant-based recipes. If you're interested in my content, please subscribe my channel. Here are some common colors: white, red, yellow or orange, green, blue or purple. Let's talk about white first. White vegetables or fruits, like mushrooms and bananas, provide dietary fiber. Fibers help protect against high LDL cholesterol levels, which in turn protect your heart health. Red vegetables and fruits include tomatoes, strawberries, cherries, beets, watermelon, and peppers. These are foods that are packed with vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, and antioxidants. They are extremely valuable to your heart health. Orange and yellow vegetables and fruits, including carrots, peaches, squash, and pineapple, get their hue from beta-carotene, which in your body converts to vitamin A. Vitamin A is vital to good bones and healthy skin. These foods are also loaded with vitamin C and potassium, which boost the immune system and enhance vision. Green means lots of heart-protective potassium and vitamin K, which aids the blood clotting process. Green vegetables and fruits also provide vitamin C and K, which can all help support the immune system, healthy eyes and bones, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Dark leafy green also have the highest concentration of antioxidants and fiber. The last color I'm talking about is blue and purple. Blue and purple fruits and vegetables, including some of my favorites, cranberries, raisins, and eggplant. These foods boost the urinary tract health and the memory function and promote healthy aging. These foods get their colors from antioxidants. Blue foods like blueberries have components that act as anti-inflammatories, reducing the risk of diseases in your esophagus and colon. After realizing the benefits of having multicolored vegetables and fruits, I've been trying to include as many colors as possible in my meals. One of my favorite recipes is to stir-fry vegetables with different colors. So I want to share a very simple one with you. The recipe's name is salted broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots. The ingredients are simple: broccoli, cauliflower, some small carrots, and the spice you like. And how do you prepare it? All you need is to chop the broccoli and the cauliflower into small florets and store them separately. Then the cooking steps are: first, heat up some oil in a cooking pan. I prefer to use extra virgin olive oil. After the oil is heated up, add the small carrots and stir fry for a few minutes. Then add cauliflower and stir fry for 3 to 4 minutes, and then add all the spice. For me, I usually add soy sauce, ground pepper, vinegar, garlic powder, ginger powder, and salt. After both carrots and cauliflowers are almost cooked, add in broccoli and keep stir frying until the broccoli turns into bright green. Then after that, it's almost done. You just need to turn off the heat and serve. This recipe only takes less than 30 minutes to prepare and cook. Plus, if you want to save time, you can always prepare ingredients in bulk and spend like less than 10 minutes to cook. If you're excited about the recipe, why not give it a try for this coming week? Thanks for watching the video. If you find it helpful, please hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe my channel. I hope you have a great rest of your weekend. Stay healthy, and I'll talk to you soon.